So if s is less than 0, is t greater than 0? Another way of putting that, if s is negative, t equals positive? Question mark. So s being less than 0, same thing as saying it's negative. So let's look at the statement. Statement 1 tells us that t plus s is less than 0. So does this mean that t is, can we tell whether t is positive? Well, you know, if s is, say, this is statement 1, s equals negative 3, and we need the end product to be less than 0, we could say t equals negative 2. So negative 3 plus negative 2 would be negative 5, that's less than 0. We could also have t equal 2. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1, which is still less than 0. So we have t that's negative and a t that's positive, both of which make statement 1 still true. So this has got to be insufficient to answer our question. We get rid of a and d. Statement 2 tells us that s over t is less than 0. Remember that the only way you can get a negative fraction is if you have negative over positive or positive over negative. That equals a negative number. Positive over positive, or negative over, that was wrong. Or negative over negative, those equal a positive fraction. And since we know that s is a negative number from the original statement, we know that we have a negative number on top. This is confirmed. And since this whole thing is less than 0, that must mean that t is positive in order to have a negative fraction. So statement 2 is sufficient. We select answer choice B.